morning everyone. So let us start our class. So till question number 7 we have done, right? So today question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. So we have to draw what? A parallelogram ABCD, okay? Say A, B, C, D. Now what? E is a point on the side AD produced, okay? What is written? AD produced. So produce AD in this way, okay? So E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD, and BE, so join BE and BE intersects CD at point what? At point E. Sorry, intersects CD at F. This is F. Intersects CD at what? At F. Show that triangle ABE. Show that triangle ABE. This triangle, this long triangle, is similar to triangle CFB. This triangle CFB. This triangle you have to show similar to this triangle. Okay, so write the given part. Question number 8. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. That much is sufficient, I guess, to write in the given section. Okay, to show triangle ABE, is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, so proof. Consider these two triangles. Simple proof: in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay, so since it is already mentioned in the question, in the book itself it is mentioned, so we will use from here only. Okay, what will be equal to what? So A should be equal to what? C. Let us see. A should be equal to C. Yes, definitely A should be equal to C. Why? Do we know the reason? Yes, we know the reason. What? Opposite angles of a parallelogram, isn't it? So we can say that angle, what is the name of this angle? It will become what? DAE. From here only we can say, just make this a vertex, okay? Put this A in the middle, that will become what? Angle BAE. Will be equal to angle, what angle I need? C. So put C in the middle, that is what? Angle FCB. Angle FCB. Simple what? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Next, B should be equal to F. This angle B should be equal to angle F. Do we have any reason for that? Angle B should be equal to angle F. Yes, we have reason for that also. Let us see the next one. Angle E should be equal to angle B. This angle E should be equal to what? Angle B. We have reason for this also. Okay. So any one, we can say any one. See this one, angle B and angle F. This is angle B, right? Over here, angle ABE, right? This angle B will be what? Angle ABE in this triangle. And that what? B should be equal to what? F. F will be which angle? This angle. One in this triangle, one in this triangle. Okay. So why these two angles are equal? It looks like alternate angle. Okay. So, and we know that since it is a parallelogram, so AB is parallel to what? CD. In parallelogram, opposite sides are what? Parallel. We know that one, right? So if AB is parallel to CD and this is a transversal, so think if AB, this is AB, is parallel to what? CD, and if this is a transversal, okay, like this, if the transversal is, so just think till this much, this angle will be equal to what? This angle or not? Alternate angles. So we have the reason, right? So write their angle ABE will be equal to what angle? CFB. Alternate angles. You can write since AB is parallel to what? CD. Since AB is parallel to CD. Why AB is parallel to CD? Because ABCD is a parallel one. Okay, so done. Two angles we have got. So therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by what? By angle. So done. Okay. So let us see the next question. Question number 9. Okay. Okay, question number 9, what is given? Okay, diagram it is given, right, in figure 6.3. Okay, this is the diagram. So two right triangles are there. Okay, one is lying and one is standing. Okay. Then A, B, C, P and what? M. This is 90 degree. This is what? 90 degree. Okay. So what is given in the question? ABC and AMP are two right triangles. So clearly we can see ABC, the standing triangle, and AMP, the lying on the base. Okay, the triangle is lying on the base. So two right triangles are there. Right angled at B, and what? And M respectively. Prove that. So that two you have to prove. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2. So in given question number 9, in given section, what we can write? Simple thing you can write. You can mention that these two are right triangles, or I will. Okay. Triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right triangles. Are two right triangles. Okay. The next to prove triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. And number 2, what is there? CA by PA. CA by PA will be equal to what? BC by MP. Will be equal to what? BC by MP. So this is the question. Okay, so start proof. At first, these are the two questions. So in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So since it is already written over here similar, see from here only we can tell A should be equal to A. So in triangle ABC, this is the angle A, and in triangle AMP, this is the angle A, exactly the same one. So what is the reason? Common angle. So one we have got. And next, B should be equal to M. B should be equal to M. Very simple. Yes, they are what? 90 degree, right? So we have got our answer. So we can say that angle, at first, this what? A should be equal to what? A should be equal to A, right? So put this angle A, put this A in the middle, in the vertex. Okay. So angle BAC will be equal to angle what? In A will be in middle, MAP. Angle MAP or not? Common angle. Next what? B is equal to M, so it is already in the vertex. So same way we can write angle ABC will be equal to what? Angle AMP equal to what? 90 degree. So therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle what? AMP. Done. Alignment is correct na? With AA, with B with M, and C will be what? P. So the alignment is correct. So next what we need? Proof number 1 done. Next we need the ratio. So if these two triangles are similar, then their sides will be proportional. So from here only we can write does what? If we take A and B, over here what? A and M. Okay. So write over here AB by AM will be equal to what? If I take BC, then it will become what? MP. BC by MP. And if I take AC, then AP. But I will not take AC because what is there? CA is there, right? So I will take what? I will take CA. CA. If I take CA, then I have to write what? PA. If CA, then PA. If you take C first, A second, then over here also P first, A second. Okay? Because in the question it is CA. So you can just look here and you can write CA by PA. If in the question it is AC by AP, then you take AC by AP. Okay? So which two we need? CA by PA. This one I need. And which one? BC by MP. BC by MP. So I need these two. So I can say one more line, that which implies BC by MP. Is it coming in camera? Yes, BC by MP will be equal to what? CA by PA, and this is your proof. Okay, this is proof number 1, this is proof number 2. So very simple proof, very simple way to show the two triangles are similar. Okay, so question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on the side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Okay, so draw two triangles. Draw the two triangles. Okay. What are the two triangles? ABC and triangle EFG. Okay, so say this is ABC and this is what? EFG. Okay, on the side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. If triangle ABC, it is given, okay, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Okay, you see now this part you see, okay, important part. See, at first they have written what? Triangle ABC and triangle what? EFG. So in that way I have drawn the diagram ABC and EFG. But now what is given in the question? That triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. That means with A, what will be its corresponding angle? F. With B, E. And with C, G. That means my alignment is not correct. With A, what it should be? F. This F will be over here, okay? This F will be over here. With B, it will be what? E. Over here will be E, and last F, E, G. Over here it will be G, okay? So this will be the correct alignment, okay? You see, they have confused, they have tricked, okay? First they have written A, B, C, E, F, G, then they have written in this way. So by looking this, you have to change your alignment of the diagram. Okay, so now you can write the given part. Okay, one more part was there, right? Bisector. CD and GH. CD will be of this triangle, GH will be of this triangle, okay? Are the bisectors, are respectively the bisector of angle ACB. ACB. So this is what? This is CD and this is definitely what? GH of angle what? EGF. EGF. Okay, done. Such that D and H lie on the side AB and FE of triangle this and this. Okay, so write the given part. Given. Question number is how much? Question number 10. So what is given? We can write this one at first. Most important one. The triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle FEG. EG. This one, right? Next, what is given? That CD is the bisector of what? This angle, right? Okay, this one I will write. At first, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, so from here, what conclusion we can write? That one, that which implies angle A will be equal to what? Angle F. From here I can say angle B will be equal to what? Angle E. And angle C will be equal to what? Angle G. From here I can tell this one, right? Done? Okay. And what is given? CD is the bisector of what? Angle ACB, right? CD is the bisector of angle ACB. CD is the bisector of angle ACB. So I can say what? Therefore, angle, if CD is the bisector of this angle, so this angle will be equal to what? This angle, isn't it? So therefore, I can say that angle ACD will be equal to angle BCD. And GH is the bisector of what? And GH is the bisector. GH is the bisector of angle AGE. So same way, therefore, GH is the bisector of what? This angle. So this angle will be equal to what? This angle, isn't it? So I can say that angle AGH will be equal to what? Angle EGH. Okay, these are given in the question. Okay, now what we have to prove? Lot of things we have to prove. Okay, so to prove, so whatever it is given, you write. At first it is given what? CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG. Number one is what? CD by GH will be equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. Okay. Number two is what? Triangle DCB. Triangle DCB is similar to what? Triangle HGE. Triangle HGE. And angle, sorry, number three, what is given? Triangle DCA. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So these are the three things that you have to show similar. Okay. So let us start the proof. Okay. So let us start the proof. So remember, angle A is equal to angle F. We have this one. Angle B is equal to angle E. We have this one. And complete angle C is also equal to what? Complete angle G. Okay. Okay. So now, since angle C is equal to what? Angle G. So I can say therefore, half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G. If angle C is equal to angle G, they are same. So they are half. Angle C is half and angle G is half, will be exactly same. Half of angle C is equal to what? Half of angle G. Now what I will take half of angle C. Half of angle C I can take anyone, okay? And half of angle G also I can take anyone. But which one I need? So for that, simply look the question. Triangle DCB, triangle HGE. Triangle DCB is this triangle and triangle HGB is this triangle. So means I have to prove these two triangles similar. So for this triangle, I need the smaller one. Sorry, the lower one, this angle. And for this triangle also I need the lower one. So means half of angle C, I will take the lower one. And half of angle G, also I will take the lower one. Again you see this triangle, DCA, this upper triangle and this upper triangle, HGF. Over here I need this upper one, this one, and over here also this one. So means half of angle C, if I take the bottom one, then half of angle G also I have to take this bottom one. Half of angle C, if I take this upper one, then half of angle G also I have to take this top angle. Okay, understood? So you have to make this top equal to top, this bottom equal to bottom. Understood? How you can understand this one? How you can How you can get this idea? By looking the triangle. See, this lower triangle should be similar to this lower triangle. This lower triangle should be similar to this lower triangle. So means this angle you have to make equal. So if you take half of angle C, the bottom one, then take half of angle G, also this bottom one. And you see this is the above triangle, this is the above triangle. So over here, if you take angle half of say the top one, then also here half of angle G also you have to take the top one. Okay. So therefore half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G, which implies if I take the top one, half of angle C means what? Angle ACD. If I take, this will be equal to what? Angle FGH. So ACD is the top one, FGH is also the what? Top one. Okay. So I can take this as equation 1. Again, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. Over here, if I take the bottom one, that is BCD, will be equal to what? The bottom one EGH. The bottom one is BCD will be equal to what? EGH, the bottom one. Understood? This one I can take as equation 2. Okay. So now the proof part. Okay. First, what it is given to prove? CD by GH. CD by GH will be equal to what? AC by FG. AC by FG. CD by GH will be equal to what? AC by FG. Done. This one we have to prove. So for proving this ratio, which triangle shall I have to prove similar? In which triangle these sides will lie? So you check the side. CD. Which is CD? This is CD. Okay. This line. Now this line is lying in that side, that triangle also, in that triangle also. This is the common side, right? CD is lying in upper triangle also, CD is lying in bottom triangle also. This is exactly the common side. So with CD you cannot say. Check this one, AC. AC. AC is over this side. So by looking CD and AC, what triangle it will be? The upper triangle. Understood? Similarly, GH is this one. FG is this one. By looking these two side, which triangle it will become? Definitely the upper one. So to prove this ratio, I have to prove this upper two triangles what? Similar. This upper two triangles similar. See CD and AC, the upper triangle. GH and FG is also this upper triangle. So we can come to this point. To prove this, we need to prove these two triangles similar. Okay. So now in triangle, this upper triangle, since CD is in the numerator, so you take this triangle at first. Okay. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, in triangle ACD and triangle what? FGH. So what are the equal part? So we have already got that one, right? Angle A is equal to what? Angle F. Already we have got. Okay. So I can use that one. Angle A will be equal to what? Angle F. Given, right? Since triangle ABC is what? Is similar to triangle FEG. Isn't it? Already it is given in the question. Next, what is equal? Next, this one. This top angle is equal to this top angle we have already done, right? Which one? This top angle name is what? ACD is equal to what? FGH. Already done, right? Next one is what? Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH from 1. Done. So two angles we have got. So we can conclude what? We can conclude that therefore triangle ACD will be similar to triangle. Make the alignment correct. With A, what is equal? F. So F will come over here. With C, what is equal? G. So G will come here, and the remaining last one is what? H. Right? So triangle ACD is similar to what? Triangle FGH. Reason by angle. So if it is similar, so we can find the ratio, right? What ratio we will get? So we will get, which implies from here you can say if I take AC, then it will become what? FG. So I can say AC by FG will be equal to, if I take CD, then I have to take GH. CD by GH will be equal to, and if I take AD, it will be equal to what? FH. Which two I need? CD by GH. This is CD by GH, and this is what? AC by FG. This is AC by FG. So I need this first two, that is AC by FG will be equal to what? CD by GH. So the first question number 1 done. Okay. Now you see question number 3. You see directly at first. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Which is triangle DCA? Just you think. DCA, this top triangle, the upper one, and HGF, the top triangle. That means what? This is only triangle DCA and this is only triangle HGF. Only the matter of fact is what? D should be come first and A will go to back side. Over here also, if D comes first, then H will come first, F will go back side. So same thing you have to do to prove question number 3. Okay, to prove question number 3, only you have to write what over here? DCA you have to write, and over here HGF you have to write. Okay, same thing. If D comes to the position first, then H will also come to the position first. If A goes to the position last, F will also go to the position last. Okay, and C and G is in the middle. C and G will be in the middle. So this is exactly these two triangle only. Only the alignment is also same, written in a different order. Okay. Understood? So this one only you have to do for question number 3 only also. Understood? For question number 3, same thing you have to do. Only question number 2 is different. That is what? The bottom two triangles are here. So this one you have to prove again. Okay. Question number 3 same. Okay. Same. You can write over here in triangle, in place of ACD you will write what? DCA, and in place of FGH you will write what? HGF. Only that much difference you do, and over here also you write DCA and HGF, and others everything is same. Okay, let us do question number 2 then. This from 2 will be used here. Okay, in question number 2. So question number 2, what is there? Which triangle is there? DCB, this bottom triangle, and what? HGE, this bottom triangle. Okay, so again, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So what are equal? So one we already know that our B will be equal to what? Our E, already given in the question. Okay, we can write angle B will be equal to angle E. In the bracket we can write what? Given. And one we already have that angle BCD. Angle BCD will be equal to what? Angle EGH. What we will write? From 2. Or not? This bottom one is equal to this bottom one. Done. So by angle property, answer we have got that therefore triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE by what? By angle. And question number 3, as I have said, same way, the way we have proved the first two triangles similar, that two only we have to prove similar. Only you write how they have written, that is DCA. We have written ACD, they have written DCA, so you also write DCA. Okay, that is the only difference that you can do by yourself only. Okay. Okay, so with this question number 10 completes, let us move to next question number 11. Question number 11 in figure 6.40. So diagram it is given, so you draw the diagram. Okay, so this is question number 11. what is given? E is a point on side CB. E is a point on side CB produced, I think so. Yes, CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, so ABC is what? It is an isosceles triangle. That means what? Our AB will be equal to what? AC, I think so. Yes, with AB equal to what? AC. Okay. If AD is perpendicular to BC, so clearly we can see that AD is perpendicular to BC, 90 degree it is given, and EF is perpendicular to AC. This is also given 90 degree. Okay. So while proving similar, this will come. Definitely this will come. But clearly we can say that these two angles will be equal to 90 degree directly. Okay. So we have to prove this one. So write the given part. Number 11 given in triangle, in isosceles triangle, I can write in isosceles triangle ABC, our what? AB is equal to what? AC. Okay. So from here what I can conclude? Therefore what? That angle, if AB is equal to AC, then our angle C will be equal to what? Angle B or not? What is the reason? The reason you can say angles opposite to what? Equal sides are what? Equal, right? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This one you have already got several times. We have used in class 9 and class 8, I guess, that in isosceles triangle, if this side is equal to this side, then their opposite angles will also be what? Equal. So angles opposite to equal sides are what? Equal. This condition we have got, okay, in the given section. If you want, you can name this as equation 1. If you want, equation 1. Okay. And what is given? AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that. So to prove triangle ABD should be similar to triangle ECF. Okay, should be similar to triangle ECF. Then proof. So consider these two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. So from here, since it is given in the question, we can use that our A should be equal to angle E. Let us see. Our this angle A should be equal to what? Angle E. Do we know any reason? We don't know any reason for that. Okay. Then our this B should be equal to angle C. Our this B should be equal to angle C. Somewhere we have got this one, right? This one. Our B should be equal to what? Angle C, isn't it? Angle B is equal to angle C. We have got this one. So at first B is there, so write this angle. Angle ABD will be equal to what? Angle ECF. Okay. You can say given. But in the given we have since written angle B equal to angle C. So over also you can write that angle C is equal to what? Angle B. It is given, right? Only we have written what in their full form, okay? That angle ABD, okay? ABD, yes, angle ABD will be equal to what? Angle ECF. The angle is same. Angle ABD is also this angle. And angle ECF is also what? This angle. Isn't it? Okay. So the next, what we can see that D will be equal to what? F. D should be equal to F. So can we say that D is equal to F? Clearly we can say that. Why? Because 90 degree, right? So we can say that just bring this D to the vertex point. ADB will be equal to what? EFC, right? Angle EFC. Why? Equal to 90 degree. Or not? You can write, if you want to write, you can write this one. That since AD perpendicular to BC, comma. If you don't write, then also it is okay. Simple equal to 90 degree is also sufficient. So two angles we have got. So we can say that therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF, and this is the. Okay, next is question number 12. And question number 12 and question number 14 is almost similar, 90% similar, but because of a slight difference, both the questions are completely different. So these two questions, 12 and 14, we will do together, okay? 12 and 14. So 12 we will do afterwards. Let us do question number 13, okay? At first, question number 13. So 12 we will do in our next class. Let us see question number 13. Is the diagram given? Diagram it is not given, right? So, okay, in my book there is a slight problem. That is a point, it is starting like that, okay? What point it is there, it is not mentioned in the book. I think so. The ink is missing over here. Dash is a point on side BC of a triangle. What triangle? That is also missing. Okay, so I can't start this question also, since the question is incomplete in my book, okay? There is printing mistake, not printing mistake, actually it is not printed only in the book. So I have to see in a different book that question, okay? So what is that point and what is the name of that triangle? So 14 I will not do today, because 12 and 14 I will do together, okay? So 15, let us do 15. Okay, 13 I can't do now, since it is not mentioned in the book. 15, let us start. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. Vertical pole, okay? A vertical pole of length how much? 6 meter. Okay, afterwards I will write. This is the vertical pole of length how much? 6 meter. Casts a shadow of how much? 4 meter. Say cast, okay. This is the vertical pole. Say the sun is over here. So it casts a shadow. Where will be this shadow? Where will be the shadow of this pole? Definitely in the ground, right? So casts a shadow of how much? 4 meter. So this is a vertical pole of how much? 6 meter. 6 meter. This casts a shadow of how much? 4 meter long, okay? On the ground. And at the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Another one tower is there. Okay, another one tower is there. And at the same time, a tower casts a shadow of how much? 28 meter long. Tower casts a shadow of how much? 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So you have to find the height of the tower. So simple, at first you make triangles, this one right angle triangle. Otherwise how we will solve this question, right? So make this one right angle triangle. Name them. So this is A, B, C. So this is P, Q, R. Okay, name this two triangle. We have to find what? We have to find the height of the tower. Means we need PQ. Okay, we need the length of PQ. Now one very important thing is written in this question. That is what? 6 meter. Why this 6 is not coming correctly? 6 meter. Okay. Okay. One important thing is mentioned in this question is what? And at the same time the tower casts a shadow. So remember one thing, at a particular same time, whatever shadow it is casting, okay, of your, of me, of any building, at a particular same time, the angle of that shadow, whatever that shadow is coming, okay, we call this an angle of elevation that you will learn in your chapter heights and distance, okay. That angle will always be equal. Means at a particular time, say this is an object, and say this is another object, and say this is another object, okay, this is another short object. But at a particular time, whatever shadow it is casting like that in the ground, okay, in the ground, whatever shadow it is casting, this angle will always be equal at a particular time, okay. At different time, the position of the sun will be different. If the position of the sun is over here, say the position of the sun is over here, so the angle will also be same, okay, the angle will also be same for everyone. If the position of the sun changes, then again the angle will also change. So in a particular time, that angle will remain always same, okay. So this thing you remember, this thing we will get in our heights and distance chapter, that is known as angle of elevation. Over here we have to apply that one. Okay. So write the given part at first. Okay, given part you write. What is given? This thing only you can write, that given height of the pole, right? A vertical pole of length. So height of the pole, comma, what is the height of the pole? AB, right? AB is equal to how much? 6 meters. We have considered the pole to be as what? AB. Next what? Shadow of the pole, okay? Shadow of the pole, what we have considered the shadow of the pole? BC to be what? 4 meter. Next, shadow of the tower, okay? Shadow of the tower, what? It is what? RQ is how much? 28 meter. Alright, QR the same way. Here at BC, so QR is how much? 28 meter. And that height of the tower, is what? PQ. Okay, let height of the tower be what? Be PQ. That we have to find, okay? PQ. So very simple. To find this, simply show these two triangles similar. We will get a ratio of the sides. Cross multiply the values. We will get the height PQ. Okay. So simple start. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. So at first very simple. This angle will always be equal to this angle. Since it is a vertical pole and the tower is also what? Vertical, I think so it is not mentioned. It is only tower it is mentioned. But a tower will always be vertical only. Na? Why it will become slanting tower? Okay. It will be vertical tower and it is a vertical pole. If it is a vertical pole, the angle is always what? 90 degree. Very simple. So we can clearly say that angle ABC will be equal to angle what? PQR. Why? Simple, you write equal to 90 degree. Next what? Next, as I have said, at a particular same time, if the position of the, in a particular same time, the position of the sun is fixed, okay, and for that their angle of elevation of the sun will be what? Same. Okay, so I can say what? This angle ACB, this angle, okay, this is the angle of elevation of the sun by which the shadow is created. Okay, angle ACB will be equal to what? Angle PRQ. You can say that angle of elevation of the sun. This you mention now, angle of elevation of the sun. So right then, therefore two angles we have got. Two angles we have got. So right, then triangle ABC. Triangle ABC will be what? Similar to triangle PQR. Similar to triangle PQR by what? By angle. So now what we can say? Now if it is similar, then our ratio will be equal, right? So we will use the ratio now. So at first what? Which implies? So from here only we can say AB by what? PQ. AB if I take, then I will take what? PQ, which is equal to, if I take BC, then I will take QR. If I take BC, then I will take what? QR. And if I take AC, then I will take what? PR. Now which sides I need? Definitely I need AB, right? So this ratio will come because I need what? AB. So which implies AB by PQ, this ratio I need equal to, what is the next? Definitely this value is given, okay? So definitely I need what? BC. So I will take this BC and QR also. AC by PR, AC value not there, PR value not there, so we no need this ratio, okay? Now substitute the value. What is the value of AB? 6. What is the value of PQ? PQ we will find the height of the tower. What is the value of BC? 4. What is the value of QR? This is 28. Okay. So simply now cross multiply and find the value, which implies that is what PQ into 4 is equal to what 6 into 28 cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication, which implies PQ will be equal to 4. If it goes this side, divide. So 6 into 28 divided by 4. So 4 7 ja what? 4 7 ja 28, isn't it? 4 7 ja 28. So which implies PQ will be equal to what? 7 6 ja 42. So therefore height of the tower comma PQ is equal to what? 42 meter. This is the answer. So very simple question. The question was presented in a different way, but overall the logic of the question is what? Simple similarity. Proof similar. See whichever side you need. So take whichever sides are proportional and check whichever side you need. Put the values, you will get the height of the tower. Okay. So this way, question number 13 I would have done, but it is since some lines are missing in the question in my book. So next class we will do 13. We will do at first, then 12, then 14, and then at last question number 16. And with that, this exercise will complete. Okay. So next class then. Okay. That's all for this class. Thank you.